you always hold them down? How you do it with a smile? My niggas like, I need one of them, I need one of them. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Khalees Dale, and I am back with another freaking video. Good morning. Good morning. It is currently 10 something on Wednesday morning, and your girl Khalees Dale is finally back with a new video. Yes, your favorite upcoming YouTuber is back. If I'm your favorite upcoming YouTuber, if I'm not, don't worry, we still cool. Anywho, so in today's little video, I'm going to be doing a little day on my life, little vlog. So right now, y'all, my stomach hurts so much. Little TMI, I'm cramping. Anywho, so what I'm about to do today is I'm about to brush my teeth right now. And now, scrub, wash this beautiful masterpiece I call face. And then I'm gonna get in the shower. So yeah, that's what you guys are about to see. Not me in the shower, of course, but you get the video, right? Me, that's the lady. All right. So as you can see, I'm out the shower and outside in the backyard. So to continue on our beautiful journey of a productive day, I'm about to feed my doggies. That's why I'm out here. Sheba over there. I should have saw her a few minutes ago. That girl was acting up. And then Lulu over there. Both stay looking themselves. But that's what I came out here for. So I'm getting their bowls. Move, Sheba. You know, just throw them over the fence. And while I'm out here, I'm gonna refill that water bowl. Simplification, just y'all. She a Robbie, Uncle Paul rings. I'm your mother, Scott Green. Better keep it where I found them. Let them all know I ain't showering. Doja Cat, y'all. So who y'all favorite artists? Mine is, I like R&B artists. So I don't even know. Justin Bieber. I know he's a pop artist. Ariana Grande, pop artist. Eric Bellinger, he's like R&B. Chris Brown, obviously. And not just because his looks, but because his music is actually really good. Honestly, y'all, I don't know who my favorite artist is. Okay. Let it help, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when. So I just got. Let me stop talking for a second. Okay. So I just got done filling up their water as y'all saw. But I'm about to go inside, feed them, and then I'm gonna feed myself because I have not eaten all morning. And it's almost 12 in the afternoon. Alright. So I'll see y'all when I'm inside, okay? Bye, sugars. Alright, y'all, so I'm inside our little pantry. Y'all need to read. Yeah, I'm inside our pantry. So I already made my dog's food, and I made some oatmeal to start in with it. I let it cool down some, so don't be burning your mouths. But I think I made too much, y'all. But yeah. Just pour that thing in like so. Yeah, y'all, I made too much. And then we gonna stir it. Please don't make a mess. And look at that. What am I doing? I'm making a mess. It's probably because I'm using a fork. Well, guess what? I couldn't find a spoon. I'm sorry, but I cannot find any silverware. Oh my God. Me and my dad bought some new silverware. but I forgot. I ain't even look for it. I forgot all about that. Cause I was upstairs while I was making oatmeal. I was looking for a spoon. I just couldn't find one. So I just said, you know what? Forget it. It was either this or that butter knife. So, alright. That's mixed in. Now for this one. Y'all, we already have a ring. My mother ring. I'm sorry, but that's stuck in my head. Y'all know that little TikTok? That's how I know it. I don't even think I actually listened to that actual song before. Didn't y'all listen to Cardi B song? I didn't. It's not because I don't like her. I don't know why I ain't listening to it, honestly. Because I was on YouTube yesterday, bored. I saw it, but I ain't click on it. I thought about it, but I didn't. But I watched Megan Thee Stallion and Baby Lil music video for that song. Okay, question. Was that a song already, or did it become a song because of the TikTok thing and somebody had mixed it together and they got the idea, hey yo, we should totally put our songs together, man, that crap would be fire. Because honestly, I don't know. Okay, y'all, I'm done mixing it up. Y'all wanna see it? It look nasty, but y'all ain't gonna eat it, so why does it matter? Don't judge. Okay. Oh, and I used all of it. Okay, great. So I made enough. This would look like, y'all. This bowl number 1, bowl number 2, and I'm about to bring it out. I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all next. But yeah, I do gotta put my bed sheets on my bed, so I guess that's when I'm gonna see y'all next. Why I never look at the camera when I record? I'm always looking here, or down there, or up there, or anywho. Alright. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I'm back upstairs in my room. It's 12 something. I have to be at work at 3 and I have homework to do. So that was very unladylike. I know. Don't talk to me about it. Daylin already be getting on me about it. I realized that. But anyway, so I got upstairs and I finally washed my comforters, my sheets, and all my pillowcases yesterday. So I just got them downstairs from the dryer, and I'm about to clean my bed and make up my bed and whatnot, and then I'm gonna start on my homework. So that's what y'all about to see in the next little clip of me making up my bed. You know, isn't that like so much fun? Yeah, I know it is. I know it is.
Yes, I'm sure.
See you guys in the next clip. Okay, y'all, I'm done making up my bed. I know it's a little tacky, but I want to get some new sheets. But it's not in the budget. So right now I'm about to do some homework until I go to work. Before I go to work, because I need to get something done. I got a lot to do. So, and I do not plan on staying at work till closing because I have a lot of work to do, you know. Trying to be a scholar. Y'all, if we're being totally honest, I keep on saying that, and I'm not. When I tell you I'm so irritated with school, I'm so irritated with work, I'm so irritated with everything. Like, in all honesty, I don't care. I care because I've been thinking a lot about my future now that I'm a junior. I want to get into a good college. I want to have a good career and do good in life and all that. And I know I'm only 17, but still, I was only 13 once upon a time. So it's just a lot. Y'all got it. And it's a lot of work to do, and it's a lot. Y'all, my GPA is 2.8. My GPA in 9th grade and below, I've always had a 3.7. And I'm not even gonna blame it on the pandemic. I'm gonna blame it on me. Because I was like this last year too. I don't know what's going on with me, guys, but lately I just no more. Like, I honestly just give up. Like, I have no energy. I have no desire to sit here and do work anymore. I don't care about being on any honor roll anymore. At this point, I just want to pass. And I hate that that's how I feel right now, but it really is. So, yeah, but like I was saying, I'm gonna do some homework. You guys can watch that for content before I get dressed and get ready for work. I'm gonna set a little time for like 2:30 or something. So I have to be there by 3. Like I said, most likely I'm gonna get off around like 9. Yeah. So I'll talk to y'all. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye.
So, I got some homework done. I did not finish, but I got some done. But as you guys can see, I'm in my little work get up or whatever. Oh, yo, look. I finally got me a ring light. I bought it myself with my own hard working money. Period. But right now, I'm waiting on my lift. My Zed, he's supposed to be buy me one. Hopefully he did. He said on the phone he was buying it now. But I told him I'll call him back and then tell him. But he said he was going to buy it, so I don't know, bro. Ooh, look at my nails, y'all. I tried painting them and then messed them up. So, and I haven't took it off. Anywho's. So yeah, y'all. I'm about to go to work. And I can't wait. And yes, the latest I'm staying is 9:30 because of homework. So yeah. Bye, beautiful people. I love you. You may kiss.
Hey YouTube, I'm back from work. It's currently, what time is it, Kyla? What time is it? It's currently 9:03 and I just got home from work. So I wanted to bring this beautiful video to an end. So this is basically what a day in the life for Khalees is like, other than me going to school. Today is Wednesday and Cat County does not have school on Wednesday. So, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, I want you to like this video, I want you to comment on this video, and I want you to share this video if you do not mind, of course. And also subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you aren't new and you already subscribed, make sure to turn on those post notifications and share my channel and tell your friends, your family, your sister, brother, bestie, whoever to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Much love to all of you beautiful people. All right. Kisses. Bye.